In this lab, we will be seeing a complete overview of dashboards, wikis, and other areas of Azure DevOps. Okay, so as usual, just log into dev.azure.com with your email ID and password, and it will be taking you to this home page. Okay, so I'm just clicking on a sample project that we have imported from Azure DevOps demo generator. Okay, and our lab for today is going to be your overview. So where you can see what is a summary, what is a dashboard, what is analytics view, and what is a wiki. So this is going to be the section, or this overview section is mainly used by the project managers, the scrum masters, or the senior management, because that is where they will be getting as many informations as possible. And how it is, so if you just go to the summary page, okay, you can see about this project. If you wanted to edit, you can edit about this project, and it is simply like a readme file, and it tells you about the project status, like how many work items has been created and how many have been completed, how many pull requests has been created, how many commits, and what is the pipeline build success rate, what is the deployment rate, how many members are there in your project, and you can filter it based on your timelines as well. Okay, so this is just a basic information given about the project on this particular page. And if you wanted to invite someone, you can click on this invite button, and then you can give on the email ID to invite someone to this particular page. Okay, the next option we can see is a dashboards. So this is one of the important options available in Azure DevOps, where you can actually customize your complete project so that your senior management people can see it, everything on a single view. If you see, this is about the overview tab, where we can say what is this project is about, and then how many builds have happened, how many deployments have happened, and how many work items are there, what is the status of each and every work item. And this is the details of the work items, and what is the release definition overview, and how many epics are there, how many features are there, how many total work items are there, and what is the backlog items and tasks. So if I click on any of these, it automatically takes you to that particular boards. Okay, and I can just go back to this dashboards, and I can see whatever has happened over here. Okay, and how do I add or delete something? I just need to click on edit option, and here I can see the multiple widgets available for me. So if I wanted to have any of the widgets, like if I wanted to create a burn down chart or a burn up chart, I can just click on this, and I can click on add, and the burn down chart will be added over here. See, automatically it gets populated. Or if I wanted to add a burn up chart, I can just click on this, and automatically the burn up chart will be added. And I can just even choose the cycle time and the lead time, and whatever I want to do, I can do it, and then I can click on done editing. Now if you see, automatically that details will be populated. If it is not populating, click on this triple dot over here, and then click on configure. When you click on configure, it actually tells you an option of configuring, like what is happening in other areas. So here you can choose what team you wanted to do, and what is the work item that you wanted to choose, and you can add your own criteria, and what is the last 30 days you want to show it, or when you want to show it. All those things you can click and save it. Automatically your details will be populated. Or if you think you don't need this chart, then click on triple dot and then delete this. So the particular widget will be deleted from this dashboard. Okay, so this is how you can create and customize your dashboard accordingly. And if you wanted to change the name of the dashboards or other thing, click on the settings button, and here you can actually change the name of the dashboard. Okay, and I can click the description of it, and the security permissions of the dashboards and everything. I can click on this manage options, and I can choose who has an option to delete the dashboard, who has an option to edit the dashboard. If I wanted to add someone, I can click on them, and I can even add and modify whatever people I wanted to do it. And then I can click on save, so that the dashboard name will get changed over here. And when I click on this team profile, I can see who are all the people who will be able to see this particular dashboards. And I can click on refresh to see the latest options over here. When I click on this last option, it goes into your full screen mode. Okay, and now when I click on this drop down option, I can see there is only one dashboard. When I click on browse all dashboards, I can see what are all the dashboards that is available for me. If I wanted to create a new dashboard, I can just click on new dashboard, and I can just click a name of it and description of the new dashboard, and click on automatically refresh every 5 minutes, so that you don't need to refresh it manually. And I can choose it as a team dashboard or a project dashboard. So if I choose it as a project dashboard, then everyone in this particular project will be able to see it. If I choose it as a team dashboard, then I can give the permissions to whatever teams I wanted to give it. And then I can click on create, and the new dashboards will be created. Now I can add a widget one by one, or I can go to my old dashboards, and then I can click on any of the widgets, and then I can say copy to the dashboard. When I say copy to the dashboards, I can say the dashboard new I created it, and click on OK. So now what happened, I am just clicking on two widgets and I'm saying copy to the dashboard. Now when I click on my new dashboard, which is the demo dashboard which we have created it, now if you see, automatically the widgets that we copied from the old dashboard will be populated over here. So like this also, you can create a new dashboard and then copy the widgets from the old dashboard to this dashboard as well. So this is about your complete customization of dashboards. How can you add a widget, and how can you edit and delete a widget and other areas. Okay. The next one is going to be your analytics view. So this analytics view is actually, if you see a star over here, which means it is actually on a preview mode now. Okay, it has not been available to the general public, but it has just been available for a preview mode. So this analytics view actually tells you a list of all the analytics, like what are the last bugs happened in the last 30 days, and what is a task happened in the last 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and all these are the list of analytics that has been available for us. Okay, so what I can see is, like, I can connect. If you see here, it says this is in the preview mode. So what I can do, I can just connect this to my Power BI or whatever it is, and then I can see the entire analytics of this. Okay, if you wanted to learn more about this, see, this analytics view can be exposed to Power BI, and you can see entire reports like this dashboard on a Power BI. And since it is on the preview mode, if you wanted to learn more about it, you can click on this particular link, and it tells you how to use this particular analytics view. So this analytics view, or the by default, it has been connected, and then using Power BI you can connect it to Azure Devops, and then you can give the project names over there, and then you can see the outputs. Okay, this is on the analytics view. The next is Wikipedia. So this wiki is similar to your Confluence or your any of the document repository, where I can create a new wiki page. Okay, I'm just creating a new wiki page, and then I'm just trying to save it. Okay, so now what happens, the new page called demo has been created, and whatever I wanted someone to follow me, I can just click on follow, and then I can just click on print options. I can link the work items to it, or whatever comments I wanted to add it, I can just add a comment. So it is similar to your Confluence, like whoever wanted to come and add a new page, they can just clone this wiki or rename this wiki, or they can come and add a new code. So it's similar to your document repository, and whatever you put it over here, it will be viewed by everyone. When I click on edit, I can just try to add something else, and then it will be reflected to the people whomever I'm just trying to save and close it. Okay, so this is what this Wikipedia is going to be. So on the whole, what have we seen today? We have seen the overview option of Azure DevOps, in which you have seen the summary tab, which gives you a complete details about your project. Dashboard is just an analytical view which you can create and modify and add widgets of your choice. Analytics view is in preview, where you can get the queries and then connect it to Power BI to generate a dashboard of your own. And wiki is nothing but similar to your Confluence, where you can create documents and you can ask people to follow it, comment it, and whatever you wanted to do, you can do it. So just have a look into it, and then let me know if you guys face any issues. Until then, thank you.